Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to buy stuff on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your device, and if you haven't already signed in to your account or create your account using your email address or phone number, and once you are logged in, go to search bar at the top of your screen right here and type whatever product that you're looking for. Also, you can search by image, or you can simply go to homepage and browse through these products, recommended products, and also at the top you see some sections. For example, if I go to jewelry, I'll see just items that are related to this section. When you find something that you like, tap on the product to open its page like this. This is the description page of your product, and here you will see photos of the product. Also, some sellers upload videos. Description, of course, right here. Price, shipping time, and of course reviews. If there are any variations, for example, like I have now, it could be size, color, or something else. Tap on one product to select specifically the one you want. And if you want to keep browsing, tap add to cart right here at the bottom, and this will add this product to my cart. And if you are ready to check out, press buy now button at the bottom, and I will be redirected to order confirmation page, also checkout page. Okay, so here you can select delivery time, delivery service, sorry. Make sure that your delivery address is correct. Also, you can here edit it or add a new address. Also, of course, payment method. Here are many options to choose from. And you have your summary. So this is the price that I'm going to pay for this product. Also, I can enter some promo codes if I have one. And I can see here my shipping fee. And when everything looks fine and correct, tap place order button at the bottom to make an order, and after a few seconds you will see a confirmation screen with your order number. And if I go back, I need my account. So at the bottom you see account, and this section, my orders, tap view all, and here you will see your orders. And if you tap on one specific order, you can see the details of that order. There you can track, you have your tracking information, and you can get there any updates. And that's basically how you can buy stuff on AliExpress. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.